Woo! All right, check this out. Another unboxing for you on the channel. As you can see from the box, this is coming from APR Performance. This is the 18 and up carbon fiber front canards. I had this on my other car, but this one is specific for the 18 and 19 up front bumpers. If you have the previous year's canards, they will not fit the 18 and up refresh bumper. So here it is. Let's get out the box. Let's get it installed if I have enough time. So in addition to this, there is also another part from APR Performance that I ordered. Still hasn't been made yet. I don't know when it's going to get here, but when it does get here, I'll be sure to unbox it and install it for you guys. Should look pretty cool on the car. One of the parts that I've been waiting on, really excited for. But let's get this out of the box and do a quick install for you guys. Like I was saying earlier, always nice packaging from APR, 18 and up, so we do have the right package. And the reason why I was waiting to install this is I just got the bumper PPF, so a paint protection film. This is XPEL. Well, I don't want to talk about the PPF work right now. See, I'm kind of happy, kind of not. There's some blemishes on the PPF. I don't know if I'm going to include this in the video, but we'll see. So let's get one of the canards out the box. Talk about the packaging job. They are not playing around. Oh, check that out. I'm gonna do the other one off camera, so that one should be fine too. And before I install this, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get everything cleaned up and I'm gonna ceramic coat all of this. But yeah, let's get this test fitted. So it's now a few days later, and one thing I did off camera was coat the canards with some Adams ceramic paint coating. I had this laying around, so might as well put it to good use before it dries out in the bottle and I can no longer use it after that. So everything is now cured, ready to install. Alright, so I have to take off just part of this fender liner so I can get to the back. There you go, whatever. Put this liner back. There you go. Now I can reach back there and install the nuts and washers. Just checking the fitment, and I see a small gap right here. I would say the fitment is about a 9 out of 10. I do plan on installing the weather stripping along this inside edge of the canard, just like I did with my last one, just to keep from debris from falling into this little crevice between the canard and the bumper. And there's the passenger side, all installed, ready to go. The beauty about this, I didn't even have to take out the bumper, nor did I have to lift up the car. So don't think that you have to go through all that trouble to install these canards. Now, let's go off and do some beauty shots. Whoosh. Anyways, quick video, short video for you guys today. That is it. Thanks for watching, and we will talk to you guys later. Oh, before I go, we got a surprise for you. That's right. And we got some good news, and we got some bad news. That is right. But anyways, we'll talk to you guys later. Peace out, guys.
Perfect. Very excited, by the way.